Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actions. Check your Windows Edition and build, then reboot into BIOS to enable CPU virtualization. Once done, open Windows Features and enable both Windows Sandbox and Virtual Machine Platform. That registers components the sandbox needs. Make sure Hyper-V is installed and active. You can add it via optional features or PowerShell. Also close or uninstall conflicting hypervisors. Third-party hypervisors commonly block Sandbox. After these steps, reboot to apply changes before moving to the next stage. Now tackle the complex middle steps to ensure Sandbox can start. Open an elevated PowerShell and enable required features with Enable Windows optional feature for the disposable client VM and virtual machine platform. Restart when prompted. Next, verify Hyper-V services like VMMS and vMaCompute are set to automatic and currently running. Start them if necessary. Make sure Group Policy hasn't disabled Sandbox. Navigate to Administrative Templates and confirm no block exists. If corporate policies apply, request the specific Windows feature flags from IT. Once can finish by launching Windows Sandbox and observing behavior. Start Sandbox from the Start menu as an administrator. If it opens, you're done. If it fails, immediately inspect Event Viewer under the Windows Sandbox log for precise error codes and failure calls. Those entries tell you whether it's a driver, policy, or service issue. A practical troubleshooting tip is to toggle hypervisor launch. Use bcdedit/set hypervisor launch type off, reboot, test, and then restore to auto if needed. This often resolves boot-level conflicts and gets Sandbox running again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.